Welcome back to the channel. So this customer has not called us in a while. There's been a change of management for this customer, so a lot more important things have been going on. But we can see here we need the hoses and we need the blades replaced, and actually things cleaned up underneath. This is a very neglected part of a scrubber, is the squeegee, and it looks like these are seized on here. So in order to pick up debris and water, it is necessary to have a clean and functional squeegee tool. So, missing the front blade and missing the strap. So, now, I'm going to check power on. We got a full charge. I was the last one to replace batteries on this, so hopefully. And we have almost 1,500 hours. This is the hour meter. Okay. Boy, missing a lot right there. And that's wear and tear and chemical. So let's check out the operation of the brush. So we got water solution coming out. No telling how long that's been sitting in there. So that's good news. So what I'm going to do now is listen for the bearings on the back motor. Turn it back on again. This is interesting. Okay, it sounds good. The back motor sounds good. We have no control over the back, so the switch is possibly gone. This is actually functioning properly. So another thing I like to look at is how filthy now this is a float cage. It's a different style, but it's just greasy. So, appears to be in good shape. This is the gasket, the recovery lid gasket. So, you just have to know that we need to clean the unit. Also, another thing we need to look at is the solution filter. And it's down here. And I still just need to take it out, but actually it's allowing water to pass through, but I'm going to take it apart and clean it based on approval of service. And I got to check these out. I'm going to have to tighten these up, check these. I always check these for tightness, especially the one on the other side too. Wheels. This is a push machine. It's actually a pad assist is what they call it realistically. They just, as long as they roll well, we're good. Another thing is trying to clean up, make some sense out of this, clean this up. This knob adjusts the deflection of the squeegee. Goes up and down. Feels like it's not, at least it's not rusted. That's the one thing that we're checking to make sure of. Another thing I do want to check is the charger. And that's the indication, the charge indicator. When we plug it in, it's an onboard charger. So, with this all together, we're going to go ahead and send a quote to the customer. Also, in addition to replacing the blades, I want to give them a spare set of blades so they don't, it gives them some time. Once they put the second set of blades on, they can order them then and have them when they come back, so, or when they arrive. Okay, that should do it. I don't know if we even saw the model number. We didn't even talk about what model this is. Oh, this is the AS510B, B for battery. These have had corded models. Cords and scrubbers are not very efficient. So everything's battery operated. Unfortunately, these are AGM batteries. They're sealed, and they are accessed through this cover, which has to be unscrewed. So it's not very easy to get to the batteries. But right now, they didn't. One of the first things I do when I knew I was coming up to this machine, I asked the users if they were having any runtime issues, and they said no. So they're doing the right thing by charging regularly.